Hey everybody, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe. In today's video, I wanted to use the Morphe 39A palette. So let's get started. For foundation today, I'm going to use the Maybelline Fit Me Matte and Poreless Foundation. This is in the shade 120 Classic Ivory. I'm a little fake tanned at the moment, so I'm using a bit of a darker shade. I'm going to add a tiny bit of concealer. This is the Maybelline Fit Me Concealer in 5 Ivory. And for bronzer, I'm going to take my Colourpop Coconut Beach bronzer, and I'm going to take it on this powder brush from Kylie. For my eyes today, I wanted to film with the Morphe 39A palette. I'm going to start off with the shade Beige on a Morphe B79 brush, and I'm going to run that through my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Transitional, and I'm going to take it on a Morphe M573 brush. And I'm going to run this through my crease. Next, I'm going to take the shade Cut Crease on a Morphe M433 brush. I'm going to focus this on the outer corner and blend it into my crease. So next I'm going to go back into my concealer, and I'm going to take that on a Morphe 421 brush, and I'm going to do a half cut crease. Now I'm going to take the Morphe M433 brush again with the cut crease color on it, and I'm just going to blend the edges where the eyeshadow meets the concealer. And now I'm going to take the shade Taylor. I just swatched it on my hand. It's this really pretty light blue, almost turquoisey kind of color. It's really pretty. And I'm going to take that on my lid, and I'm going to apply that with the Beige Studio Pro No. 9 brush. So now I'm just going to finish up my other eye. And so this is where I want to leave my eyes off for now. Once I finish the rest of my face makeup, I'll come back and finish my eyes. For blush today, I'm going to use my Kylie Cosmetics blush in the shade Barely Legal. For highlighter today, I'm going to use the Anastasia Beverly Hills Amrezy highlighter. Off camera, I adjusted my eyebrows and mascara. Everything will be listed over my Instagram, so make sure you're following me over there. It'll be linked in the down bar below. And next, for false eyelashes, I'm going to use the House of Lashes Pixie Mini Lashes. Now that my lashes are on, I'm going to finish off the eyes. So first, I'm going to go into this Wet n Wild paint palette. It's the pastel one. I'm going to take this blue shade right here, this middle one, and I'm going to take it on a BH Studio Pro number 12 brush. It's this little itty bitty detailer brush, and I'm going to run that inside my waterline. I should have mentioned this before I put that paint in my waterline, but I'm not actually sure if it's eye safe or not. So if you have it and you put it in your waterline or anywhere near your eyes, just beware because my vision is a little bit like cloudy right now, so just be careful. And so I'm going to go back into the palette and I'm going to take the shade Cut Crease again, and I'm going to put it on the outer half of my bottom lash line. And next, I'm going to take the Morphe M573 brush, and I'm going to take the shade Transitional again, and I'm just going to blend out that cut crease shade that I put along my lower lash line. And now, on the Beige Studio Pro number 9 brush, I'm going to take the shade Taylor again, and I'm going to put it on the inner part of my lower lash line. Now I'm going to put mascara on my lower lashes. I'm going to take the Tarte Lights Camera Lashes mascara. For lips, I'm first going to start off by lining them. This is the NYX lip pencil in Nude Beige. I'm going to take the Maybelline Intimatte Nude lipstick in shade 545 Beige Babe. Now I'm going to take the Sephora Collection lip gloss in 02 Cappuccino. Okay everybody, so that was the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you did, make sure to give it a thumbs up. Also, make sure that you're subscribed, and I will see you all next time.